Welcome to my channel. The festive season has already begun, and we are in the middle of a lot of festivals. Diwali, before that, I guess, yes, Karwa Chauth. So a lot of festivals are there, and so yes, as I said, the festive season has already begun, and my beautiful ladies or girls out there, even they must be wondering what I should wear, what I should not wear, how should I look more glamorous, or how I should look more festive appropriate. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before going ahead with the dupattas, various kinds of dupattas or various types of dupattas, let's understand the kind of kurtas what you should have. So what I want to talk about is whatever dupatta you wear, whatever heavy embroidered or heavy zardozi work or heavy maybe gotapatti work, whatsoever work you're wearing, first of all you need to understand that your kurta is basic. So what I mean to say is what is a basic kurta. So a basic kurta may be a white basic kurta which has little bit of detailing and all. Actually, I have shown this kurta in one of my videos also. I think 10 to 11 ways to style your basic kurta, white kurta. So yeah, this is your basic kurta, means not much detailing on that. Apart from that, beige color kurta, even here also you can see it just I guess the Chinese collar and some buttons are there. So this is also a basic color and basic kurta. So yeah, this is beige color. And moving ahead we have one more I want to show one more basic kurta. This is also basic kurta because yes, it is black and it's hakoba work is there. However, there are no further detailings and nothing is there. It's just plain and no embellishment, nothing is on this. So yeah, these are the type of basic kurtas. So now moving ahead, those kurtas I showed you were the basic colors, at most basic colors. Little bit brighter side if you want to go in basic kurtas only. So this is red color. You can see nothing on this, no embellishment, nothing, only the golden buttons are there. And again, it's a Chinese collar. Besides this, nothing is there. This is also a basic kurta. Apart from this, this green color, this is also basic kurta. So yeah, the more you invest on basic kurtas, the more it would be profitable for you to try and give more and more looks in this. So these are like some of, again, if you want to go for some more colors, you want to add some more colors, then these were if you want to go for little bit probably on the embellished kind of work, or maybe little bit of detailing if you want to see in kurtas, or you want to wear little bit of detailing kurta. This kind of chikankari kurta, you can see the overall entire entire kurta is actually heavy work is there. So yeah, so this is not the basic one, but I can say it's basic because it's just in white. It's pure white color. Only the thing is that yes, it has chikankari work on this. Apart from this, so this is one of the kurtas. It's a golden color kurta, and yes, it's a golden kurta, and it's Angarakha style, and also these are the golden beads overall, and yeah, it has a little bit of shine also. So again, I would say yes, this is also a basic kurta. However, it has little bit of embellishments, but the starting what I showed you, white and beige color and the black color, these were the total basic colors. So in short, the more you have embellishments, or the more the work is there on the kurta, the more it will go a little bit on the heavier side, so it won't remain as basic. So that's what I wanted to make a difference. Yeah, so good to go. Now let's understand about the type of dupattas what we can wear on the basic and these type of kurtas as well. So now moving ahead, let's understand about the dupatta. So here what I'm holding right now is a Banarsi dupatta, and a red color dupatta. This goes on everything, on white, on black, on beige, on green, everything it goes. If you really want to add some more colors of dupattas related to this thing related to Banarsi is orange is also one of the greatest color, and pink is also. I do have pink as well, but right now I'm just showing red and orange color, and this really adds a lot. This actually I have taken, I think, from one of my trips to Banaras and I guess Ahmedabad, if I'm not wrong, there also. Even this is a great color. It goes on everything, on white, on black, on beige, on orange, on red. It goes on everything. So these are two dupattas. So invest in the great Banarsi dupatta. The range actually, if you'll see on Amazon or maybe on Myntra, I will suggest Myntra rather. So 400 rupees to 800 rupees you will get the dupatta. The more heavier it is, the more expensive. So it's upon you. But yes, one Banarsi dupatta is a must. So yeah. So if I want to show you, you can see yeah, in beige color also and in red color also, it really looks good. I do have some pictures also. I will insert the pictures also in this video, and you will get a idea about how it suits. So yes, it goes on this also. This kurta goes with this also, and majority of dupattas will go on this. So yeah. So I was talking about Banarsi dupatta. That was our number one. On now, moving ahead, I have a very beautiful dupatta in my hand, and this is actually Fulkari dupatta. Heavy embroidered and thread work and mirror work. This is one of the kind of dupatta, and it goes on everything. You can see the colors. There are a lot of colors on this, and this can be worn on pink, on blue, on yellow, on orange, on white, black. It's like it's a kind of investment when you do, and it's not at all a waste, and you will be actually using throughout your life. You will never regret. So apart from, so this is a kind of heavy dupatta which can be worn for festivals, for marriages, for functions. There is also one lighter version related to Fulkari dupatta. Let me show lighter version of the Fulkari dupatta. This also many might be knowing. So this is a lighter version of the Fulkari dupatta. This you will get in, I guess, 200 to 300 rupees, and this you might get to 600 rupees to 1200 rupees. And yeah, it's worth the investment. So if you want to go for a sober look, little bit of small functions and all, you can wear this dupatta, or else you can go with this for marriages and for functions which you really want to get that attention. And it really looks good, as I said, with all on green also. It will look great on red also, and yes, it will look great on white, black, blue, whatsoever color you have. Even the golden one which I showed you, the golden kurta, for that also it would really look good. The second kind of dupatta I'm talking about is Fulkari dupatta. Okay, now moving ahead, we are at type 3 dupatta, which is on the list, that is netted dupatta, net dupatta. This is quite in trend now, and yeah, you can have one net dupatta as well. This one dupatta, I know the breadth is less, however you can see the golden zari work and the yellow and the orange, and this really brings up the essence of the dupatta, whatever, however basic it is. So yes, one of the kind of heavy embroidered zari work which is on, you can say, on the net dupatta is one of the essential thing. And maybe this color or maybe any other color also. I have one more net dupatta. You can see this one also. It has golden and it has some velvety pattern on the border. There is some blue color as a turquoise blue and pink and black. It really look good on the black as well. You can see on the black as well. And can you see the simple basic kurta has come up with the life, and yeah, it can go with orange also. So yeah, it's not required that you need to spend lot of money. This you can get on Ajio, you can get on I guess Amazon and Myntra as well. There's a lot of sale going on right now. I'm not asking you to spend, but yeah, why not? If 350 to 500 rupees if you are spending on one dupatta, and this can be a multi-purpose use for you later as well. So yeah, It can be actually paired with white or beige or you can say red with this or yellow or maybe some shades of pink as well. So yeah, so my third dupatta I was talking about was the net dupatta. Now moving ahead, I'm going to talk about this pretty golden dupatta. Yes, one golden dupatta is a must in your wardrobe. So this one is a tissue one, and best part is yes, it has this gota patti on this. So gota patti is huge in trend now also, and this kind of dupattas are not expensive. It should be not more than 300 or 400. I got in 350 rupees. So yeah, this kind of one golden dupatta is really good, and this will enhance on most of the kurtas. If I were to show, most of on white, it will go on red, it will be embellished angarakha kurta. Even on this also it will be paired very beautifully, and yeah, so good to go. So this I was talking about golden dupatta, maybe with some kind of gota patti work. So in tissue, if I want to talk about what you can invest in black color also. So black color and beige color, even red color are really good, and they will also complement your overall basic kurta. So yeah, so the fourth kind of dupatta I'm talking about is the tissue material dupatta. So one is in black and one is in beige color or golden color or off-white color. This is a must. Okay, now, so the fifth kind of dupatta what I have is the bandhej or bandhani, what you call, or maybe the tie and dye dupatta. But yeah, this is like this goes on everything. It can be taken on white, black, again this kind of color, maybe orange, maybe a maroon, maybe red. This really goes on everything what you wear. Besides this, so this is also tie and dye dupatta, little bit of but throughout, not little bit, but throughout there is this heavy work lace on the four sides of the dupatta. So, and the combination is also really good, pretty good, and very beautiful combination, orange and pink. So yeah, again this also will go great on white, on pink, on orange, on everything, even on golden it will go. So yeah, if you want to give a sober look, you can go for this one, or you want to give a little bit of heavy look, then go for this one. Yeah, so this was on our list, that is bandage or tie and dye dupatta. Okay, so moving ahead, now I'm coming to type 6 dupatta, which is chikankari. Everyone knows chikankari is, it's really great. Another name what people remember is it's Lucknowi. Yes, you can see the chikankari work on this dupatta. It's a heavy chikankari work, and this kind of dupatta can be worn during day and during night time both. The complement color for this I suggest would be red, white and black, either basic or either embroidered. Any kind of basic to little bit of embroidered kurta will really look good on this. And yeah, so this is one of the kind of chikankari, and this is one more kind I have in my hand. So it has gota patti as well as you can say see chikankari as well. So of golden border and entire, you can see the gota patti and the chikankari work on this, and this also gives a very rich look when you wear. So yeah, during daytime or during night time. So in this there is this kind of shimmer in between. I think there is some badla work. It's a badla work. This is also very rich. It's all good, and this will go most of the kurta when it has little bit of golden tint. So yeah, so patta, that is heavy chikankari work. Now this is the kind of dupatta. Now we all know, many a times I think you might have seen there are some patchwork dupattas are going on, and it's quite in trend also. I think few months back even Sara Ali Khan wore this patchwork kind of entire middle slit kurta, and that was all great. So yeah, the dupattas are also there. This kind of dupatta, it's really heavy and it's all handwork. You can see it's all handwork and it's pure silk. It's quite big as well, and this can be worn with, you can see, so many colors and it will look so rich. Looks so rich. I mean, it's so unique. It's so different. It's so unique and so different. You can wear it with black, with white, with yellow, with pink, with blue. Yeah, it's something unique if you really want to give some of your style statement in a different way. So go for this kind, which is really in trend now. So I have this dupatta which I got from Jaipur at a very reasonable rate I got, and also I have a stole of this. So yeah, I really love this stole. I have worn so many times, and yeah, this is like dual. It's the same pattern. So yeah, style number 6 is our handmade dupatta or woven. So yeah, I am showing the last style of dupatta, which is actually gota patti dupatta. The one which I showed, that was a tissue material, the beige color one, which I am talking. So here we are concentrating on the color. So one golden dupatta, or maybe any color dupatta, but this is material. This material is tissue. So yeah, this was a tissue one which has a little bit of gota patti, but here this is heavy embellished gota work. So this heavy embellish is ideally worn during marriages, during functions, day functions, and you can see it has a lot of colors. It's so rich. It's so rich. I mean, it can be worn on any color of your choice. Yeah. So yeah. So probably with pink, green, yellow, blue, white, black, you know. So you can actually go with any color. So this kind of heavy dupatta you can take from, so you can take this from Jaipur, from if you're from Jaipur anyways, but online you can get this on Amazon, on Myntra. Yeah, I think in the range of 600 to 800 worth to invest. And yeah, the day you wear, definitely you will receive a lot of compliments also. So this is one of the kind of style which I was talking about, the gota patti work. Here it is, this one is done on bandage. So yeah, this one is done on bandage. So heavy embroidered over here also. This is one of a kind of fulkari dupatta, but here I am talking about the work, the gota patti work over here. So even this will go on anything. As you can see, it's really heavy. It's good for day functions and night functions as well. So yeah, sorry, I'll just show so how it looks. So it will look good on green, pink, blue, beige, black, red, white. So yeah, so I mean to say, yeah, so this was our gota patti or the heavy embellished work dupattas. So yeah, coming back to so the more your, as I said, the more your kurta is basic, the more you can actually do a lot of alterations related to dupatta. So yeah, so in this case, like I was talking about the entirely, you can see this is entirely heavy embroidered. So in this light dupatta is also okay. I would rather suggest most of the colors will go on this if you want to go for heavy functions, so then you can actually pair this one as well. I hope my video will help you a lot, and people, those who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Please hit that bell icon over there. Please comment if you really want to look forward for any kind of festive wear and festive wear related videos. Do let me know, do comment. बहुत मेहनत की है यार. So just subscribe my channel, just like, subscribe, comment, share as much as possible. I hope these ideas, whatever I have shared, will be helpful for you people. Thank you so much, and thank you so much. Bye, take care.